It's a lovely session of Channa curry. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I'm Channa. This is not going to be the regular chana which we take with the aloo parathas and the parathas. It's going to be the chana gravy type of thing, which will really go well with anything, with everything otherwise. So let's look into how to do this chana gravy or chana curry. For this chana gravy, what we'll have to do is soak this chana dal overnight, or at least a minimum of 8 to 10 hours is required, because otherwise they don't increase in size like this. So let's soak the chana dal and then completely drain the water, and we'll put it into the pressure cooker and cook it for at least 5 to 6 pressure whistles so that they become nicely cooked and soft. That is very important. If they are not soft, the gravy itself will not taste good. So it should be cooked until they are very soft. While this is getting cooked, normally this couscous or poppy seeds, they don't get ground properly in the mixer jar. So what we'll have to do is soak them for at least 5 minutes in hot water, and then we can grind. Just soaked it in the hot water. Now while this is getting cooked, let's get ready with the gravy. Heat another pan, add some oil. Now add the diced onions. Now add little salt. Now we have sauteed the onions. The tomatoes should get like mashy texture, so let's cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. Now let's see what we are going to grind it into paste. 1 garlic pod, coconut, the poppy seeds or couscous what we soaked. Let's grind this to fine texture. Now there are enough of pressure whistles, so I think this would have got cooked softly. So let's remove it from fire. Can you look at this? They are in a nice mashed texture. So let's add the drumsticks to this. Green chilies. Depends on the spice you require. You can add the number of chilies. Little water. Just leave it for 5 minutes so that they get cooked. Not fully cooked, semi-cooked. So here I have this coconut gravy ground well. Now we are going to add the turmeric powder, coriander powder and the chili powder together. Just grind everything together. After 5 minutes, the drumsticks, they normally get cooked well. So that's why I just left it for 5 minutes, so that they have to again get cooked with the gravy. So see to that they are in that condition. Now let's add the ground gravy. Rinse it with water. Now for 10 minutes, just leave it into medium flame. Cover it and leave it, so that what will happen is they boil well, and all the masala ingredients what we have added to this will get absorbed by the drumsticks. When you just have a look at this, the drumsticks have been cooked well, and the complete essence has gone inside. At this stage, let's add the chana dal. Press it and see, they will be soft and cooked well. So in that condition only they will be able to absorb the essence of the gravy. So they will taste well. So let's add this now. Now we have added everything, so let's allow it to get cooked, and the essence should be absorbed by the chana dal. So cover it and leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes until it is cooked well. Can you see the oil is separated and it is there here and there? So let's do the seasoning. Put your seasoning plate. I'm adding mustard seeds and fenugreek. When they start to splutter, add the hing and curry leaves. Now let's add the seasoning. Now look at the gravy. If you are not happy with the consistency, you want a little more thinner, or you want it thicker, then just allow it for some more time. Or if you want it thinner, you can add some water. And we have not added any tamarind to give a sour taste, so we are going to add some lemon. But if you are allergic to lemon, you can avoid this. Our chana gravy is ready to be served. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making this lovely chana gravy or curry. It's not chana masala, because it will really go well even with rice. So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like and subscribe to Dosa Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.